lesson number 5, which is the nature of God. Don't you want to know what the nature of God is? See, in the Old Testament, we look at nature of God of being this hard taskmaster that was just very, very rough and he had to be because of the things that went on in the Old Testament. We're under a new covenant. The very nature of God is love. You need to get that right off the bat. To have a positive relationship with the Lord, we must know His nature and His real character. Is He angry because of our sin? Or is He a merciful God who wants to give us His life and blessing?